and after that I never bought pizza again. In a bowl, add 1 egg, 200 ml of milk, 50 ml of oil, a tablespoon of sugar and mix very well. I will strain a cup and a half of flour. We are going to stir until this dough is very smooth. And that is the ideal spot. Add a teaspoon of salt and 25 grams of parmesan cheese and mix again. Adding a sandwich maker, I am going to pass a little bit of butter. And right after I put 4 tablespoons of dough, and with your own spoon, spread this dough. We will close the sandwich maker and leave it for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, you can open it. And this pasta, pass 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Add 2 slices of mozzarella, oregano to taste, 2 slices of ham, 8 slices of sausage, and 2 slices of mozzarella, and to finish, basil to taste. Let's close and leave it for another 3 minutes. People, look how beautiful it is. Sincerely, the smell here is wonderful. Make the recipe at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. The dough is super light and the filling you can vary using the filling of your preference. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. For one more recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.